Hi students, welcome back. I gave you yesterday an exercise to solve, and by the time I record the next video by 10 o'clock right now, I find that there were 3 students attempted that. That means 3 students was many of the students don't watch the class at all. They are too busy in some other activities, it seems. And if you want 90 plus, we have seen that there are 2 students who scored 90 plus in commerce for the first time. That is because of their effort only, not because of our effort. Your effort is necessary only. Those who work, the benefit will be individual one. We have seen that 2 Nikita and Priyanshu Agarwal, 2 students scored 94% of mark. Okay, and then economics 98 Priyanshu Agarwal scored. So this became possible because of the effort of the student. Okay, and then about 3 students I told that solve this numerical, and first one who attempted sent me the answer was Umang, but some calculation error came and he disappeared. Where he went thereafter I don't know. And then Nikhil came. Nikhil first attempt failed and second attempt he cleared it. Then third came Shambhavi. Shambhavi in the first attempt itself produced right answer. So like that 3 students attempted. Remaining members, I don't know whether Amanpreet and all used to be regular there, and Amanpreet is not found. Where is he now? Okay, alright, come back. So we are going to solve that numerical again for you. Those who could not solve, maybe watched but could not solve, for them I will be solving that numerical. So your question was calculate GNB FC. You are asked to find the GNB FC, and particulars given where NDP MB, that was 80,000, big numbers. 2. Net factor income from abroad, so NFIA we can write that is minus 200. Notice that minus 200. Okay. Then third one given depreciation, that was 4,950. Okay. And then next one subsidies. 1,770. Okay. And then the last one was indirect tax. That was 10,600. Okay, these were the particulars given. Now we will look at how to solve this. Okay. What do we need to find? GNB FC and this aggregate. In order to find this aggregate, we see the another aggregate is given in your particular NDP MB. NDP MB is given. Okay, and then difference between NDP MB and GNB MB. GNB, this is net and this is gross. So net and gross relation you might be having clear idea. Net exclusive of depreciation, gross inclusive of depreciation. So what is needed from net? We need to add depreciation. Okay, add depreciation in order to reach gross. Now domestic and national. Domestic and national. Domestic, national relation is of NFIA. I said this many times. Okay, so from domestic to national, if you want to make, you need to add NFIA, net factor income from abroad. Okay, NFIA added. And now market price, factor cost. From market price, if you want the factor cost, you need to reduce NIT minus NIT. You need to reduce NIT. Okay, and then we are going to give values. NDP MB. What is NDP MB? 80,000 plus depreciation 4,950. Now see NFI, that is minus 200, minus and plus, you know, minus, so minus 200. Okay, then minus NIT. NIT will be indirect taxes minus subsidies. Indirect taxes 10,600 minus 1,770. Okay, so here we have found the first step. Okay, now here we want to find the additions first. Before that, if you want one more step, we can find by solving that. If given no, there won't be any mistake. That is the advantage of that. If you add some steps more, there is no problem at all. Okay, there is no problem at all. So the difference is 8830. Okay, you can add as many steps so that when the valuator sees a little more impression will be there. He or she will feel that you haven't copied it but done on your own. Okay, and now here as per BODMAS rule, addition must be done first and then subtraction. Okay, so addition here 80,000 plus 4,950. So 84,950 minus, what is this, 8830. We are using calculator for the easy work. You don't have to use that. Okay, what are the values now remaining? 200 plus 8830 is equal to 930. Okay, now 84950 minus 9030 is equal to 75,920. This is in rupees crores. This is in rupees crores. Answer you got. Understood? I hope you understood this, so that you can tell your friends who don't have any idea. I understand that a few students will understand very easily, others condition is a little difficult. However, if they try, this is not that tough that you cannot do. You can do it. Okay, yeah. So we are going to, I hope you understood this, and I am going to rub this. Okay. And those who are not attending classes, they are going to face a bigger problem at the end of will be a second teaching of this portion because I don't think that we will get the time. We have two large textbooks to be solved. Okay, so that's going to be a tough work for me to come back to these lessons again. So if you study this work regularly, reducing beginning, it's going to be easy for you and me, and there will be better results this year as well. Then next unsolved practical is calculate domestic income. Domestic income, you know what is domestic income? What is domestic income? Domestic income is ND domestic PFC. Domestic income means NDPFC, net domestic product at factor cost, that is domestic income. Okay, that is the question. Now we see the particulars. Gross national product at market price. I am writing the short of that. Okay, GNBMB, that is 58,350. Okay, then second order, indirect tax. I am writing short form. You don't have to write IT, indirect tax. Short form I am using so that your work will go faster. 2,590. Okay, subsidies. 1,540. By the time I am solving, you can also solve earlier those who understood, so that it will be easier for you. Depreciation 1,625. 1,625. Now the fifth one is net factor income from abroad. NFIA we can write NFIA minus 240. You can write minus 240. Okay, so now we are coming to the solution of this. A bigger, we have seen that an aggregate is given in this particular itself, that is GNBMB. Directly writing that GNBMB is given. Okay, now we are going to see gross and here net. What you have to do in order to make gross into net? If you want to make gross into net, we need to reduce depreciation. We need to reduce depreciation. Okay, and then next one, national into domestic. Going back from national to domestic, coming down. So reduce what? NFIA. As NFIA is NFIA. That is NFIA. That is the rule. And then next one is after that market price into factor cost found. Market price, how will you make into factor cost? How will you make? Market price and factor cost relation is of NIT only. Market price, when you reduce NIT from market price, you will get the factor cost. So minus NIT. Now give values to this. First, GNBMB 58,350. Okay, depreciation 1,625 minus NFIA, that is minus 240. Okay, and then what is the next value? NIT. NIT, indirect tax minus subsidies, that is 2590 minus 1540. Okay, so 2590 minus 1540 is equal to 1050. Okay, 1050. 58350 minus 1625 minus 240. So here I am making unnecessary steps. It is actually not necessary. I could write there. It would be easier if I wrote plus 240. It would be easier. So that it will be, I can calculate this easier way. Again, no need too many steps. Reduce them. Yeah. Plus 240. Then minus 1625 minus 1050. My why I write like this means it will be easier for you to understand. You can end it here itself. Okay, with this step itself we can end. Okay, this is for those people who are very weak, who for them need to understand. That's why I do these steps. Okay, 58350 plus 240 minus 1625 minus 1050. Okay, that is rupees 55915 crores. Okay, understood? 55915 crores. Okay, then another type of exercise which I noticed there in the test is that finding calculation of consumption of fixed capital. Find out of consumption of fixed capital. Have you not done? Completed? Completed, no? Consumption of the fixed capital. This is what I noticed. Another type. So from these values you need to find one value from among these values. Okay. Now we are directly solving some numericals from. So now we are going to find some values. You need to find consumption of fixed capital. Here one example is given. Calculate consumption of fixed capital. Consumption of fixed capital means depreciation. Calculate depreciation. Okay, depreciation. Calculate depreciation. And what are the particulars given here? We will see. NNBFC. NNBFC is given, that is 4,000. And then next given GDPMB is given, that is 5,000. Then NIT is given, net indirect tax is given, that is 300. Then net factor income from the abroad, NFIA is given, that is 200. So these are some of the particulars given. Okay. And now what we need to do is finding depreciation from it. Depreciation. So for that we need to find easier is the difference between these two when you find, and some other articles when you remove, some other values, particulars when you reduce, you will get that. I will show you how it is being done. Generally these kind of questions very less asked, but if by chance accidentally ask any of the particular from it, it will be easier for you to solve. Okay, so here domestic first product, GDP MB, gross domestic product at market price, and the difference with this is gross into net. That means you need to reduce depreciation. Okay, and thereafter domestic into national. Domestic into national. You need to add what? NFIA. And then what is next value? What is the next value? Market price into factor cost. Market price into factor cost. If you want to do, you need to reduce NIT minus NNB FC, and this can be taken as X, value X, no? Okay, so that we don't have to bother about. Leave this and go in the next step. Okay, GDP MB 5,000 plus NFIA 200 minus NIT is how much? 300, and then minus NNB FC 4,000. So this one 5,200 minus 4,300. Okay. Now the calculation begins. 5,200 minus 4,300 is equal to, that is depreciation is equal to rupees 900 CM. Rupees 900 CM. Understood the way it is being done? Like this we can find values also. One more I will do, and one more I will give you. Okay, net indirect tax. Calculate net indirect tax. For tomorrow you need to be given two works from one of these category, and other one is of another category. This is we'll see. Okay, now net indirect tax. Calculate NIT. You need to calculate NIT. Particulars GNB MB is equal to 7,000. Domestic income or NDP and NDP FC, that is 6,200. Depreciation 600. NFIA minus 400. Okay, so this is given over here, and now again going to do. So in that national is there, domestic is there. So to take domestic NDPFC, and here GNBM. From net to gross, you need to add depreciation. Okay. Then domestic to national, you need to add what? add what? NFIA. Next, what is factor cost to market price? You need to add NIT minus GNP. How will you do? Next one, NDPLC 6200 plus depreciation 600 plus NFIA minus 400. Okay. Next, which one? GNB NIT. NIT is to be formed. Okay. So like X we can write. There is no necessary of writing itself. As the GNB is 7,000. Okay. Now calculate. Your time to calculate steps can be there very easily. You can do further steps if necessary. Otherwise, you can calculate very easily also. It depends on you how to do. Okay, try before I get try in your hand. Plus minus 400 600. So the answer came for me. Answer came, that is 600 CR. Understood? Understood? Now I will give you. I think time is too much. Time has too much period. Too much time I cannot give. Class you will be tired also. So I will give you 2 numericals for you to solve. Okay. Two numericals. First one. First one. Calculate subsidies. Calculate subsidies. Let me see. Any other way or not? No. Calculate the depreciation. Depreciation. Calculate depreciation. Particulars NDP MB, that is 80,000. Indirect tax, IT. Indirect tax I am writing. Indirect tax 10,600. Indirect tax, okay. Indirect tax 3. GNP FC, that is 75,924. Factoring up to above. Factoring up income to above. Keep in mind. Factoring up to above, that is 700. Next one, factoring up from above. From above, 500. Okay. Subsidies. Subsidies 1,770. 1770. Now calculate the depreciation further. Then I will give you work. Calculate second one. Okay. Calculate NDP FC and NNB FC. It means domestic income and national income. Okay. Particulars. GDP FC 50,000 55%. 55%. Next, indirect tax. Here I am writing 4,400. Factory income to abroad. 600. Next, NNB, MB, 55,500. 55,500. Factory income from abroad, that is 1,300. 1,300. Depreciation 2,500. So these are the two questions. After having got the answer,